Hi guys, it's your girl Kiissi again once more in the kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I wash my pork and how I season my pork. So over here I have some vinegar. I'm going to wash it with some vinegar. So I washed it with the vinegar already, so I'm going to use some lemon and wash it also. So these are some of the seasoning I'm going to use. I have some red pepper here, I have some green pepper, I have some scallion, I have some onions, I have some garlic, ginger, and I have some thyme over here. Some thyme. So I had a pepper in it also, and I wash all my seasoning and I put it in. So I'm gonna show you what kind of seasoning I use, like powder seasoning that I use to season my pork. So these are my powder seasoning that I'm gonna use. Right here I have some Caribbean spice and roasted garlic. I have some all-purpose season right here. I have some meat season. I have some all-purpose season right here, as you can see. Then I have some grounded pimento, my jerk seasoning. Can't do without this jerk seasoning. I love it so much. And here I have some all-purpose seasoning and some soy sauce, and my favorite, oh my gosh, I made a mess, my jerk seasoning. Oh my god, I love this seasoning so much. It's so spicy and delicious. I made a mess. Meat seasoning, just a little. Roasted garlic. All-purpose. Turn upside down, I open it bad. Some jerk seasoning. So now that I put all my powder seasoning, I'm gonna put some of this jerk seasoning on it. It's a little spicy, but for me I like spicy. So I'm gonna put some mushroom flavor soy sauce. You can use brownie, but I like to use soy sauce. So I'm gonna rub the seasoning in now. I didn't put any salt because actually most of these seasoning they have salt in it, so I didn't really put any salt in it. So I'm gonna rub the seasoning inside the meat. Oh, it looks so juicy and nice, and it's not cooked as yet. Imagine. So what I use to season my meat, I put some bell peppers, red, green, and orange. I put some onions. I put ginger. I had some garlic, thyme, scallion. And for my powder seasoning, I use meat seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, roasted garlic seasoning, and I use pimento powder. I use jerk seasoning, and I use my jerk sauce and some soy sauce. So basically that's what I use to season my pork. So I'm just rubbing in the seasoning inside of the meat. So I'm gonna make some stew pork for dinner tomorrow on Sunday. So guys, you can like, subscribe, comment down below, hit the notification button, and tell me what you think about my videos. Thank you guys for watching, and you will see the finishing touch tomorrow when I cook it. So I'm gonna do some brown stew pork. I haven't eaten brown stew pork for a while now, so I just decided that I want to cook some. So thank you guys again once more for watching my video. You can share, you can comment, you can like, you can hit the subscribe button. Thank you. Bye. So that's the finishing part one. Part one, how I season my meat. So you guys will see the finishing touch tomorrow when I cook it. So stay tuned. Bye.